Dan Greenberg here with Cascadia Distilling. Here to talk about the entire boiler integration system. Components. Main boiler. It's a Sussman electric 3-phase. We have here the blowdown tank. And here we have the makeup tank or return tank with the pump down below. So, as the steam plant generates steam, moves it down through the line, back through the system, through the still to heat it up, through the coils, it comes back down this drain line right here and gets pushed back up here into the return tank. The return tank, makeup tank, then when it gets a signal from the back of the Sussman boiler, goes ahead and activates through a relay this pump to refill it, make up the tank, and bring it through. And so when you're running and this is warm, it saves a lot of energy because you're not pumping cold water like you could just make it up with cold water, but it saves you energy by keeping the water intact and in a controlled system. And then the blowdown tank, when you're done and you turn off the system, you got to dump the boiler. So to do that, it's a very violent event, and you open this gate valve here. But this unit works like a bong, and you fill with water up to this level, and then when you release all the steam, it dumps violently into here. You can see how thick this unit is for regulation. You fire this thing off the end, and it vibrates the whole building. It's pretty cool. And you can see the level at this level meter over there. And here's a level in our makeup tank, and a level over there, perfectly balanced in our boiler. Thanks again, Dan.